meet a lot of people and they're all very interested in meditation, and what they think most of the time is that you have to sit quiet and that is the meditation, which is true in a way, but to get there is very difficult because in the West we have very busy lives and it's all mind-based, so the mind is super active, and then to sit quiet and suddenly be in a meditative state is almost impossible, and you get very frustrated and you sit for like a few minutes thinking, is this meditation, what am I doing? The mind, the ego get upset with you, so it's uncomfortable and you stop doing it because you think, I cannot meditate. But all of us been meditating already many times, because meditation is something you do with full awareness. So in my course, it's a one-day course, I learn you all kinds of tricks and things and little tools to help you to be present in the moment with full awareness, and all you have to do is practicing. And then after that you can sit more quiet, you can understand yourself a little bit better. You start to get a relation with yourself which is much more comfortable as before. And I've been there myself. I know what it is to have a very busy mind. I know what it is not to be in charge of my life, and I worked very hard to get there. And now I know also with 10 minutes a day you get there too. And it's 10 minutes a day of your life and you will get to know yourself. Amazing. During the course you will learn all kinds of different techniques, and hopefully you find one you like, maybe more even. And if you be dedicated and you be motivated and you do it every day, eventually you will have a whole journey with yourself in opening up to your spirit instead of staying in the mind. And always in the mind thinking, and you never be yourself, you never be your spirit, you never know anything about you. You only know your mind. And so that's what you will learn, and you will learn to program yourself positive, you learn to be more positive. It's so important, these things, and it helps you through life.